When I was a kid, I had a lot of friends that collected like sports cards, baseball cards, things like that, and I didn't really have an interest in that. So I collected like movie cards and TV collectors cards, and so that's just what I ended up with a whole bunch of those. It's kind of ridiculous when you look at the collections that I have. I mean, I've got old, big name movies, E.T. and Star Wars and things like that. But they even made these cards for Charlie's Angels, a TV show, and I think I've even got some Dukes of Hazzard cards. It's really a silly collection. I think there was this assumption when I was growing up that you could collect these and save them for 2 or 3 decades and suddenly they'd be worth a whole lot of money, and that just turned out not to be the case. I mean, I keep them around because, well, once you had something for this long, it's kind of hard to get rid of them.